whoops, using a computer or calculator, find the arc length of that function on 1 to 3. So go down and find the arc length formula. There it is from the notes on the home page. So then we just say OK. So that's just the integral from A to B of, oops, wrong button there, of the square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared dx. So that's arc length formula. Okay. So that means we're going to need f of x over here, e to the 2.5x, and then f prime. In fact, maybe I'll just change the color for extra clarity. So I'm taking the derivative now. So you know what's going to happen. E to the x is our favorite derivative. He basically does nothing. So you just go like that, does nothing. But, and that's it for e to the x. But if any function, if the we have to remember the chain rule. If the inside of any function, if what's plugged into any function is anything other than a simple x, which this isn't just e to the x, it's e to the 2.5x. So if that plug-in is anything other than a simple x, then the chain rule says, oh, don't forget about me. You got to multiply by the derivative of just that little inside piece. So that's going to be 2.5. I'm going to put it in the front to make it easier. So there we go. So that was the chain rule, which said take the derivative of 2.5x, which is just 2.5, right? Because the one power multiplies and subtract one, and the x is gone, as you know. So therefore, the derivative, because of the chain rule, because the e to the x does nothing, but for any function, if the inside plug-in is anything other than a simple x, got to remember the chain rule says multiply by the derivative of the inside. So there we go. So now let's come over here. We go, okay, we're going, oops, integral from A to B of 1 plus. So what's f prime? It's 2.5 e to the 2.5x squared dx, like that. So plug that in. So we just grabbed that and we just popped it in there. So now, like I said, we have to use a computer calculator. We can't do this integral by hand. This one is not doable by hand. Lots of them are not. So we use technology. We are going to use no, I was going to say GeoGebra, but the Desmos. The Desmos, right? We have that on our homepage. The Desmos graphing. Click on that on the homepage. Type in this integral. Oh, I forgot the A and the B. This is the A, this is the B. So the A is going from 1 to 3. All right, so I did that. Here's what it looks like on Desmos. See it up there in the upper left-hand corner. Typed it in. You can see the answer, 1795.866. So 1795.866. There it is. Always type in at least 4 decimals to be safe on everything. And there we go.